Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2016 Ford Police Interceptor Explorer pursuit vehicle with about 111,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. So we just finished the vehicle minutes ago, so now it's time for its exposure, right? So if you have any questions about the vehicle, please give us a call back. Give us a call. We don't edit here, sorry. At 909-457-5500. Okay, or yeah, or text us at the same number. Okay, so again, guys, we will be posting all of the pictures on our website at drivecarsmart.com. And then obviously if you again want to get in contact with us, just give us a call. Okay, all right, cool guys. So 16 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor, let's do this. All right, so let's start from the top. The vehicle is currently on now. So we got two Unity spotlights, non-LED. Okay, fully functional. We're gonna go down to the push bumper. You got a beautiful push bumper. Okay, just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so yeah, absolutely gorgeous push bar or push bumper. I'm not sure, this might be a Weston push bar, but here we go. So we have the Goodyear RSA tires all the way around. We got good tire life remaining. So you got 245, 55, 18 all around. And remember guys, Interceptors are all-wheel drive. Okay, so let's continue. All right. Perfect. So there's the all-wheel drive emblem. There is one antenna at the top. You could barely see it right there. You see it? So that's for display only. It's not connected. Regular 87 gas for the Explorer package. I don't believe they ever made a flex fuel to the best of my knowledge, but 87 regular unleaded is what's required. Okay, all right, so now let's take a look at the inside. Okay, so driver's door, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power seat. Okay, for the forward and back feature. Okay, obviously you have your lights, your spotlight connectors, whole handle is here, switch on and off. It is fully functional. Okay, you do have a dome light, and it's a red and white. All right. Okay. Let's take a look one more time over here. All right, so now let's go to the back. Well, the passenger front door has a ballistics label on it. I know that for sure is ballistic because of the weight, but this door is also quite heavy. It might be ballistic or not, but again, that's just my opinion. But yeah, I know for sure the front passenger front door is ballistic. Okay, here's your rear driver's door, driver's side. All right, so now let's go to the back. All right, so we are on the back part of the vehicle. Here's the side. Okay, side. All right, spare tire right in there. Little storage compartment on the right hand side. Perfect. Let's do that. All right, so now let's go to the passenger rear door. Here we go. Perfect. All right, so now let's go to the passenger front. Okay. There's the ballistics panel sticker. Okay. Okay. And guys, keep in mind, all of our vehicles are clean titles. We do not mess around with anything that's salvage. That's just not what we do. Everything is clean title. Okay. And more likely owned by the actual government. So a sheriff's department, a local PD, right? So just whatever is near us. That's where the vehicles usually are owned or are from. Okay, but yeah, most importantly, they are all clean titles. Okay, we don't sell salvage, we don't sell trash. All right, so now let me show you some miles, and then we'll go to the engine. Okay, so 111,079, okay, on the miles. Okay, and this is our engine. So engine wise, remember guys, we really don't wash our engines. We just might clean the side, okay, near some of the plastics, but as far as this compartment here, we're never going to wash. So our engines are going to look normal, dirty, Interceptor dirty. All right, so I'm gonna be quiet now, let that you guys are able to hear the actual engine at idle, okay, for a few seconds. Perfect. Cool. All right, so let me close this up. All right, guys, and there you have it. 2016 Ford Explorer that is now ready to be sold. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I know I haven't made a video in quite some time, but we've been really busy. We got, if you're interested in this one, or you might want to know what we have in transit, please let us know. Send us a message. Or call us, because we do have 9 Explorers. We have 15 model years, 16 and 17 model years, okay, that are going to be coming out. And yeah, give us a call, because if you're interested in one, before a security company comes and buys them all, like they've been they've been doing recently. So yeah, so there you go, guys. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. And thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, peace.